This product made $450,000 in the last 30 days on Amazon and other websites, but only in Amazon it's $40,000. So I want to show you exactly. This product cost is only $7.84, and if you go to Amazon, you can see the same product in a couple of other variations, and you can see that it's really trended because in the last 30 days, 500 people purchase only from this listing, and another 1,000, another 200, another 500, another 1,000, another 200, another 2,000, and 1,000. And if you calculate this 15,000 sales, when I calculated by myself with average of $26, is almost $400,000 only on Amazon. And I didn't go down to count you additional thousands of products that actually sell from this same product. So this one can actually skyrocket with dropshipping, but I want to show you exactly my method, how I find this kind of products in my community, in school community, that actually it's for everyone, for you guys. I'm giving you a listings of that sold really good and trending products on a weekly basis if you join to my group, and also my Shopify store, you can see, made over $19 million on the same method. So I want to show you inside, guys. Click the link below and let's meet you inside.